I found this really cool post on Instagram and this really cool event called Baltic Sea Circle Winter Edition. And the lady was like, yeah, kind of sounds cool. Why don't you do it with my brother and the Porsche? And I think she better not said that, I guess.
Really beautiful car with the team number 54, Audio Road Trip, away!
And we're off! And we're tired. And this is the German Autobahn, and we're on the wrong Autobahn because we're too stupid to read signs. Yeah, we'll tune in later. Just know, we are now driving in the rough direction of Denmark, for which we have a map, but we don't have a map of Germany. Actually intended to see a thing anyway, so why should we bother? The rain is torrential right now. But we did eventually end up on the A7. It's the next morning now. We survived our first night in the Porsche. And the temperature drops at 5 AM, which is why we should have put on the heater, but we didn't. And look how brave he was. I slept in like this, and he slept like this. Today's challenge is to find a automotive graveyard and to find a tour bus of a very famous band. Screenshot here. Let's see. So the story goes that for some mysterious reason these cars got parked here and then they were just left. And well, now there isn't much left at all. And the challenge of today is to find a bus that apparently belonged to ABBA. And we think this is it. At least it's the only bus here, so we take it.
Aber das ist die Frage.
It's cold, miserable and grey all day today, and then it's kind of sunny, and then it's kind of something else. And also our suspension in the back sagged again, so we might have to fix that. But we're trucking along somewhere in the middle of Sweden.
Ja, 110. Der Tanks.
I'm now using our rally map light to light my face. It's decently late, I'd say 7, but according to the live tracking we're pretty far behind of all the others. So we decided to crack on probably a couple of hours now into the night and try to make some progress, because for some reason these other people use different kinds of speeds and make different kind of progress than we do. And this is kind of a bright light in my face, so...
Now looking back, call out loud, hear how it sounds, stand up tall, feel the weight of it all, no time to spare, going nowhere against the wind, never look back again. Feel her go forward. Feel that. No looking back. Call out loud. Hear how it sounds. Stand up tall. Feel the weight of it all. No time to spare. Going nowhere against the wind. Never look back again.